the real suitcase.
You did not just take the picture, did you?
No, it's better. I'm doing it on video.
For the blog.
Come on.
So you want me to touch? You want me to touch the sweater?
No, I don't
again?
want you to. She doesn't want to be touched. Man.
You're not really still recording, are you?
No, I'm not. I am not recording.
Alright, you can take it off now.
I am not taking my clothes off unless you get really cashmere out. Will not strip unless it's cashmere.
Well, we've got plenty of that here.
Yeah, but you have to buy it first.
Wait a minute.
You are working
You don't
for the
work?
shop, aren't you?
No, I'm not working for this.
Doing
Going
pro
back to video,
bono
you can
work.
turn it off.
Pro bonehead.
Got a fast hand.
Really?
Set myself up for that one, didn't I?
You're very photogenic.
Right.